Hello. Today let's see some job about IT. Uh, let's search about the operation about the MDC. Now let's begin. This operation named Assistant Deputy Director, Data Opera, and Digital Government and Data Department. About the job. Mm, about the job, let's see the data operation, lead the data operation team and provide supervision and guidance to the team. Oversee the daily function of data operation to ensure our services are efficient and compliance with our standard operating procedures (SOPs), meeting the service target set. Review, record, and standardize the workflow and business process of DA operations. Oversee the data validation process and conduct periodically data integrated checks and verify business rules. Ensure compliance of operation procedures and guidelines with our existing policies. Provide supervision and guidance to the team to ensure the protection and the preservation of ACRA's data. Okay, the company is named ACRA. Yes, ACRA. Lead and provide guidance on data improvement progress to rectify data issues at source. Support WOG project and initiative with timely upgrades, analysis and consideration from ACRA's data operations perspective. Oversee data quality and baseline service stands or single source of truth (SSOT) of business data. Support chief data officer (CTO) to table data masters to table data matters to ACRA IDSC and resolve cross agents data needs and conflicts. Escalate the data issue to CDO timely. Data migration. Lead the data migration team and ACRA data champions and working close partnership with IT vendors to manage the data migration to new system covering into the following areas. Develop a data migration strategy for conversion of data from current systems into new systems. Develop an entire data migration work plan, clearly discipline all tasks, activities, and the associated target completion date and owners. Data and schema mapping between source and target data sets. What we are looking for: professional qualification in data science, statistics, computer science, information systems, engineering or equivalent. Experience in effectively managing operating data teams, preferable in financial or accounting industry. Preferably in financial or accounting industry. Hands-on experience in managing data through its life cycle, including data migration. Experience in troubleshooting data issues in any part of data lifecycle. Excellent understanding of business operations and analytics tools for effective analysis of data. Effective communication skill and strong shareholder engagement skill. Ability to work with cross-function, multidisciplinary teams. Okay, let's see more about infrastructure security project manager. About the job, ASM is a leading global supplier of products, services, and materials for signal conductor process for more than half a century innovation have been at the core of everything we do. Our smart, ambitious people are dedicated to creating cutting-edge solutions for the world's leading semiconductor providers. Every day, we push the development of next-generation computer chip technology, always staying a few steps ahead of what's next. The talented, enthusiastic people at ASM are just like you, dedicated to improving people's lives and unlocking new potential. With our collaborative approach to R&D, we advance key semiconductor technologies and platforms like ALD, uh, epitaxy, PALD, PECVD, and vertical funnels. And we have recently entered the promising high-growth market, silicon carbon epitaxy. Year after year, our innovation helps to make chips smaller, faster, and more powerful. In fact, you will find our technology in every aspect of modern life, in AI, medical equipment, 5G, smartphone, autonomous driving, and more. Operation summary. Reporting to the Global IT Infrastructure and Security Engineering Manager, an infrastructure and security project manager experienced in the implementation of infrastructure and security capabilities. It is required to manage the delivery of project, adhering to PMO's project lifecycle methodology, ITPLC, and the successful transition to operation and support. The incumbent will work closely with both IT infrastructure and security, as well as application teams and business teams. The operation guide complex projects from inception thought delivery and support, working in close partnership with solution engineers and business leaders, including project, program, and executive sponsor, as well as the leaders with the business. The role is also in charge of defining objectives, creating plans to achieve objectives, tracking progress against the objectives and the budget, driving execution of key projects and programs, and improving project management process. Let's see the key responsibility. 1. Develop a project plan. Develop a project chart to initiate and design program and benefits. Develop milestones, accountability metrics, and standard measurement criteria for program. Identify opportunities to improve utilization of manpower, information and material, and technology for program implementation. Establish and communicate expectations for periodical and milestone review, including status reports, program risk identification, and other dashboards. Identify, review, and level resource requirements to gain efficiency and maximize productivity. Demonstrate the proficiency using Microsoft Suite, including Visio and Project. 2. Oversee project implementation. Conduct project kickoff with key shareholders and communicate deliverable and expectations. Develop the transaction and all integration and all closure plan by defining exit criteria. Ensure all administrative, commercial, and contractual obligations are met upon program compliance. Manage risk in accordance with risk management plans. Oversee adherence to schedule, budget, manpower, and technical quality targets. Oversee the documentation of scope, change, issues, and risks that affect implementation. Ensure compliance to IT PLC process and accountable for TG reviews. Be communicative and social, assertive and enthusiastic. Must be able to facilitate discussing and discover alternative or different approaches. Oversee the documentation of scope, changes, issues, and risks that affect implementation. Ensure compliance to IT PLC process and accountable for TG reviews. Be communicative and social, alternative and enthusiastic. Must be able to facilitate discussion and discover alternative or different approaches. 3. Manage people and organization. Manage the budget expenditures and allocation across teams and projects. Monitor and track the project team's achievements and key performance indicators. Acquire, allocate, and optimize the use of resources. Develop learning roadmaps to support the professional development of the team. Coach team members on agile practice and values. Excellent interpersonal communication skills and the proven ability to work effectively with all organization levels. 4. The ideal candidate will have education and experience. Bachelor's required in computer science, information systems, or related discipline. PMP, PMI, or equivalent certifications. Minimize 8 years working in MNC with experience in regional global infrastructure and security project rollout. Experience managing IT infrastructure projects in at least 5 technologies out of the following areas: Azure Cloud Architecture and Microsoft Security Tools, Microsoft Windows Defenders, ATP, MDE, MDI, MDC, Azure ATP, Azure Security Center. Have convenient infrastructure for no-premise cloud architecture, preferably Neutronix. SAP S4 HANA infrastructure, Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, and Active Directory Federation Service. Exchange or equivalent email infrastructure. Internet routing protocol and technologies including TCP/IP, TCP/IP version 6, OSPF, BGP, VPN, GRE, IPsec, DQoS, etc. Security solutions such as firewall and associated functions such as IPD, IDS, antivirus, anti-spoof, DOS, DDoS, policy-based routing, next generation firewall, firewall 1, firewall, etc. CDN, CSP, SEMI, and vulnerable assessment, LDAP, radios, DNS, DHCP, NAC tools, Windows Server OS, Linux Server OS, Linux Server OS, Microsoft Cloud, Microsoft Defender for Cloud and Microsoft Defender for Identify, Vim backup and replication, proxy, reverse proxy, local balancer, SCOM, SCCM, certificate management, VDI, horizontal, Microsoft Direct Access, OT security technologies, data center facilities, and associated technologies. Cloud, SASE, Secure Access Service Edge, and SD-WAN, software-defined wide area network solutions. Cloud-native technologies, for example, containerization, CI/DI pipeline, rack automation, etc. Identify access management, IAM, multifunction authentication, MFA. For example, Microsoft and Google's. System handling guidelines and framework, for example, CIS, NIST, ISO 2701. Project management skills, including strong understanding of criteria project manager concepts such as activity plans, milestones, task dependence, risk and issue tracking, status reporting, ability to effectively lead an engagement team, making effective and efficient use of project resources, identify and resolving complex problems, issues related to people, process, and technology and strategy, both internally, organization, and external client engagement project. Strong understanding of ability to execute project management methodologies and tools. The ability to function in a fast-moving and rapidly changing environment, make quickly sense of it all, and add value beyond just a task-oriented tool or project manager. Display strong oral and writing communication skill from the top down. Demonstrate problem solving and analytical skills. The ability to work on multiple projects, simulations, and balance conflicting demands. The ability to manage projects and teams that do not always report through the same department. Security certification such as CISSP, CISA, or CISM. Merge and acquisition, M&A, integration experience. Certified in ITIL version 3 or version 4. What will make you successful? Customer focus. Delivering the IT solution with the skilled infrastructure and support that facilities and improves the way we do business. Improve employee experience and contribute to the bottom line results. Responsive and agile. Stay in pace with our business shareholders and users in ensuring they get the support from IT to perform their work to deliver it to our customers. Express. Understanding the delivery and understand the underlying needs of shareholders, challengers of global ITs, and vendors in order to deliver results. Building a high performance organization. Ensure the regional IT team that is a role model for work incentive, teamwork, and service excellence. Reliable and persistent. Keeping a consistent focus on business continuity, resilience, risk management, and cybersecurity. Excellent communication. The ability to work and build relationship with shareholders throughout the company and an indifferent culture. Leading people. Ability to lead people toward meeting the organization's vision, mission, and goals. Inherent ability to provide an inclusive workplace that fosters the development of others, facilities, cooperation, and teamwork, and support constructive resolution of conflict. Leadership competence, conflict management, leveraging diversity, multicultural acumen, developing others, building teams. Results driven, ability to meet organization goal and customer expectation, inherent ability to make decisions and product high quality results by applying technological knowledge, analyzing problems, and calculating risks. Leadership competence, accountability, customer service, decisiveness, problem solving, technical credibility. Communication, ability to build relationship internal and with other external organizations to achieve common goal. Leadership competence, partnering, building relationships, influence, negotiation, negotiation, and communicative. At ASM, we are committed to supporting our people, enable them to develop their talent and perform at their best. We actively promote an inclusive and drive culture that fosters trust and transparency. Our people are our power, and we value the difference between everyone because it is what makes us better as a team. By embracing a wide range of perspectives, we enable a culture of continuous exploration and adopting a new ideas. At every step, at every step, we know that it is our valued people who enabled us to deliver excellent products and service to our clients and to make a meaningful difference in society. So join us on our journey and unleash the power of an open mind. Discover how you can be part of our exciting future and apply today. To learn more about ASM, find us at asm.com and on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Wow, this is a very good job description about the infrastructure and the security project manager. Let's see more. IT application project manager. About the job responsibility, be the point of contact for IT matter on new ERP implementation project. Plan, lead, and execute project activities to ensure delivery of projects are on time, within budget, with scope and quality meeting shareholders' expectations. Manage project changes, risks, and issues throughout the life cycle of the project. Communicate all key project plan, changes, risks, and issues to all relevant shareholders timely and accurately. Collaborate with and manage all project shareholders, such as sponsor, business users, other IT teams, and external vendors for project activities. Let's see the requirements. Degree in computer science, information technical, engineering, or an IT-related discipline. At least 8 years of IT experience in IT project management and application maintenance, and currently in a project manager or leader role. At least 5 years of IT experience in operating and supporting SAP ERP system. Experience in S/4HANA is advantageous. Performed at least one successful large-scale implementation of SAP ERP project in a project manager or leader role. Experience in S/4HANA is advantageous. Good knowledge across SAP functional such as FI, CO, SD, MM, PS, and technical areas such as ABAP and BASIS. Strong knowledge on IT SDLC process and project management practice. Excellent leadership and shareholder management skills. Strong problem-solving skill and ability to work under pressure. Self-disciplined and diligent in driving deliverable within defined timelines. Strong communication, presentation, writing skills with proficient in English. logical and methodology, with good planning and organization skills, able to work independently as well as a good team player. At Sompo Junrong, we put talent, hard work, teamwork, and a fun workplace together to approach problems and solve them creatively and collaboratively. Join us in making a positive impact on the world. Wow, it's a very good job description, and I think the HR management the level is very high, and I see all this writing skill and the technology scope is have a very wide range, and maybe they have the talent in candidate. Okay, let's close today's recording. Thank you. Now.